Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to unfollow the people that are not following you back. It's a very simple stuff, but it's a manual unfollow. I can do that on your Android device. But firstly, you have to have the Twitter app, the latest Twitter app, the updated version installed on your Android device. This is a Samsung phone. I already installed my Twitter app on it. I've signed in my account. So on this particular on this particular app, I should see two things, which is the following and the followers. So if I click on the followers, these are people following me. So everything we have follows you tag. The follows you tag. Can you see? Everything carries the follows you tag. So if I decide to follow the person who followed me back, it's the same thing. So on his own side, it's going to show I'm following them. So now, if I decide to click on the following, this is where I will see people that I'm following and they are not following me back. So now you can see the sending blue follows you. That means it's following me back. The Binance is a big exchange, cryptocurrency exchange site. So I don't expect them to follow me because I don't have a partner with them. Or so now moments with brain. I started to follow this person because of some things that they're in Oats Business School. They are not following me back. I followed them willingly myself. So let me see people that followed me, but they are not following me back. Uh, See, the Google Small Business, I followed them myself. I almost have 100% follow back. So it's very rare because I do unfollow people who don't follow me back. It's a manual way and it's a great way of unfollowing people who are not following back. So you have to keep to date, maybe check 2 times in a week so that you're able to check people who are not following you back on your account. So I think it's a good thing to share with you guys. So I just said I should share this. See you in my next video again. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on how to do simple things online. Thank you for watching the video. See you next time.